Hello and happy Halloween. If this is finding you on Halloween, that's great, but if it's not, that's okay too. This is a timeless reading, but I did want to jump on here since it is such a spooky day. The veil is thin today, and I wanted to give you guys a channeled message. I think you're going to really like this one, and I think that this is truly finding you for a reason. I also am hearing that 70% of you seeing this need to hear this, but there's 30% of you who you're finding this because someone is sending it to you. Yes, you're not even seeing this like on your For You page. Someone is sending it to you. And just know that if this is in front of your face right now, you need to hear it. Spirit works in mysterious ways, and this message really is for all of you. So here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing love is easy when two people want the same thing. Okay, love conquers, love wins. Stay in the vibration of love. Whatever it is you're going through, and this is not just about romantic relationships, okay? Love is a frequency, and you don't need another person to be in the frequency of love. Okay, think about whenever you're holding a newborn baby or when you're petting your little puppy dog, right? Those are frequencies of love as well. The frequency of love can be accomplished anywhere at any time. It's up to you to connect. It's not up to another person to have to rely on to connect, okay? So with that being said, love is easy when two people want the same thing. So let's get into the love portion, because I know a lot of you guys are probably wanting to hear the love portion of this reading. And I'm hearing that as long as you guys want the same thing, love conquers, love can win. So I want you to ask yourself, whatever situation you're in with your partner, the person you're interested in, your situationship, it could even be a friendship, you guys. Are you guys wanting the same thing ultimately? Does this person want something different than what you're wanting? Okay? If the answer is like, yes, you guys don't want the same thing, then this is maybe something it's time to let go of. But if you guys know you both want the same thing, then this is saying love can be easy. Everything else is just figuring it out. But if you want the same thing, then all you have to do is figure it out. And when there is a problem, there's always a solution, because it's impossible to grab one end of the stick without the other existing, right? If I grab this pen, here's the problem. But it's impossible to grab the pen and not have the solution on the other end, okay? With negative must come positive, right? You wouldn't be able to see the picture. You wouldn't be able to see a picture without contrast. So it's okay that you guys are in a situation where maybe there is some contrast, but this is saying that as long as you guys want the same outcome, you guys know what you're wanting, and it's the same thing, then there is a way to fix this, okay? I'm gonna pull a card real fast. We have the Nine of Pentacles, big earth energy. This is making me feel like there's so much love. I feel like there's so much that's getting ready to happen physically for you. A lot of these things have been things that you've been keeping in like in vibrational check, like you've been wanting these things, and Spirit's saying it's getting ready to manifest a lot of it.